Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to zoom in and zoom out type text in Notepad, Windows PowerShell, command prompt of Windows PC. So without further delay, let's begin. So here I'm gonna show you in the Notepad, but the tricks will remain the same in case of the Windows PowerShell as well as in the command prompt. So firstly open the respective application whichever you want to use. Say I have some type text here, as you can see here, right? So here I will show you two methods how you can zoom in and zoom out. So the first method is completely using only a computer keyboard. So on your computer keyboard, what you need to do is just press Ctrl and plus. So you can see we have zoom in. If you keep pressing the Ctrl plus again, it will keep zooming in. And now if you want to zoom out, once again press Ctrl minus. So you can see. Now if you want to restore it back to the default size, then just press Ctrl 0, then it will restore to the default size. So this is how you can do using only a computer keyboard. Now the second method, by using both keyboard as well as your computer mouse. So on your computer keyboard, once again press and hold the Ctrl key. Now just scroll your mouse wheel towards the downward direction to zoom out, and to zoom in just scroll your mouse wheel towards the upward direction. So you can see. So by using these two methods, you can easily zoom in and zoom out type text in Notepad, Windows PowerShell, command prompt of Windows PC very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.